Hey, Lady Warriors, welcome back to my channel. So, can we get real for just a second? How many times have you stopped yourself from starting something in your business, whether it's a group, a program, a launch, because you told yourself, I'm not ready yet, or I need a bigger audience first, or maybe you even said, well, who would even join? Maybe you're thinking this, I don't know enough yet. Well, today we're flipping all that on its head because in this video, I'm going to give you 3 signs that you're already ready to lead a monetized community. Even if your audience is small, your tech skills are a little bit rusty, and your confidence needs a boost. If you're someone who wants to help, serve, and build income doing something meaningful, this is for you. Hi, I'm Michelle Spark, your digital CEO, Army vet, and your go-to business mentor for all things digital products, community building, and simple marketing that actually works. So let's get into it. So let's be real. If you've lived some life, you've got something to say. You've got wisdom, you've got experience, you've figured something others are still struggling with. Maybe it's how to create digital products, or how to get organized, or maybe how to overcome burnout, or how to get started with AI tools, or how to stay motivated after 50, how to crochet, how to knit. It can really be anything. Whatever it is, that knowledge has value. And when you put it inside of a community, you become the guide, not the guru. And that's what people are looking for. So if you've ever helped a friend solve something, you're already qualified to help a stranger do the same and get paid for it. So now listen up. If people are already asking you for tips, sending you DMs, tagging you in, how do I do this post, even if it's just a few of them, that is your invitation to lead. You don't need a massive following. You need a few people you're willing to serve well. That's how every thriving community starts. And guess what? When you build a space that supports, educates, uplifts, and leads, people talk. They invite others, they share your post, they stick around. It starts with like 5 people, then 10, then 50, then 500. But you can't grow something that you never start. So if your people are already paying attention, even a little, you've got everything that you need to take the next step. This one is going to hit deep. If you're watching this and thinking, I'm so done waiting, or I'm ready to build something real, or maybe you're thinking, I want income, purpose, and people I actually love working with. We all have those nightmare clients, right? Then babe, you are ready. There will never be a moment where you feel 100% confident, 100% clear, and 100% tech savvy. That's not how we grow. You learn as you lead, you grow as you build, and you rise while you serve. Starting your community now, even messy, even small, is what gets you to someday. No one's handing you permission. You get to claim it today. So here's the deal. If you've got something to say, if people already trust you, and if you're done waiting and you are ready, I want to help you build the community that makes it all happen. So I want you to join my free community, Online Profit Mastery, and I'm going to show you how to build your own engaged community full of raving hot fans who actually convert. You're not just posting for likes over there. We're building digital empires. So drop I'm ready in the comments below if this was the sign that you needed. Or you can click the link in the description and join us inside of Online Profit Mastery, because your community isn't just a place to post, it's the engine of your business, and your people are waiting for you to lead. So let's go build it together. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. I come out with new trainings every single week to help you build and grow your monetized community and make some money online. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now. If you want to continue learning and growing together, watch this video that's coming up next, and I will see you over there.